Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to hard reset Bose Portable Home Speaker. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how to exactly hard reset your Bose Portable Home Speaker here? Well, resetting them is fairly easy, especially if your Bose Home Portable Home Speaker here is experiencing connection issues. Well, in this case, resetting them, or in this case, factory resetting it, is going to be the best thing that you could do. So also just important information here, a hard reset will release all previously paired Bluetooth devices here, and also after the reset you will need to repair the speaker with your device. Now how do you do so? So first things first is you want to ensure your Bose Portable Home Speaker here is powered on before starting the reset process. Now you want to locate the Bluetooth button and the volume up button on your speaker. So in this case, this is the Bluetooth button and the volume up button here. Now, you want to press and hold both buttons at the same time and keep holding them for about 10 seconds. Now, remember, full 10 seconds. Now, after 10 seconds, the white ring light on your speaker will blink. In this case, the speaker will then restart itself and go through a startup cycle. Now, once the reset is complete, the speaker will unpair from all devices and return to factory settings. Now, in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.